Hello dear student, now we are in the class 7 exercise 1.1. So in this tutorial we start with the question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 500 meter above the sea level. So first you should draw the diagram so that you will get the idea about this question and you can easily solve. So what they are asking, what they are telling, a plane is flying at the height of 500 meter above the sea level. So this is suppose sea level. This level is sea level and they are giving 500 meter above the sea level. So this is suppose 5000 meter, sorry, it is 5000 meter above the sea level. So here the plane is there. So the distance from sea level to plane is 5000 meter, and then at a particular point it is exactly above submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So this is the level of 1200 m, 1200 meter, and which is below the sea level. Got it? So here the submarines are there. So what they are telling, what is the vertical distance between them? So they are asking this distance. So this 5000 meter, it is above the sea level, so that's why it is positive. And here the submarine floating below the sea level, so you use negative sign. It is just like number line. So many students, when they will solve, they will directly do 5000 plus 1200 meter. So answer they will directly write 6200, but it is not exactly correct. You can write it like that and you can use this answer for cross checking. But while solving in exam you cannot solve like that, because you have to mention positive and negative number, because we are in the integer lesson. So this is positive and negative, and now we need to calculate vertical distance between them. So vertical distance between them means between plane and submarine equals to. So we have to calculate, means what is the exact difference is there. So for calculating this, you can write here plane distance minus, you have to use minus symbol, and here submarine distance, and then plane distance is 5000 minus submarine is 1200 and it is minus. Got it? So here we are calculating difference, so it is better, means you have to use minus sign only, and you have to check the answer. Now it is coming exactly same, minus minus is plus, so your answer is 6200 meter. And now you can cross check, tally also, it is same. So in this way you can cross check your answer if you are directly doing it in the rough side. So your answer is 6200 meter. At last you can write also vertical distance between plane and submarine is 6200 meter. Now we are going into the next question. Question number 5. Mohan deposit 2000 rupees in the bank account. Deposit means adding money in bank, and withdraw means taking from bank. That money is 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative, means whenever we take the money from bank, in the passbook it is represented that negative. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? So deposit means adding money. So adding money is positive. So find the balance of Mohan account after the withdrawal. So this question is quite simple. So here they have mentioned the withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by negative. So in answer you write withdrawal amount is represented by which sign? Negative sign, or you can write negative integer. So withdrawal amount is represented by negative integer. Then they are telling how will you represent the deposit? It means it is opposite. So deposited amount is represented by positive integer. Very simple. And here you have to calculate balance. So Mohan deposit amount is, or you can here directly write deposit amount is, you can write in your language also, no problem, 2000 rupees. And after that withdraw amount is how much? 1642. You can use your simple language according to you. So it is withdraw amount. You see upside, withdraw is negative integer, deposit is positive. So deposit we didn't use symbol, it is positive. Withdrawal amount is 1642, you use negative symbol. Now balance, you have to calculate balance of Mohan account. You write here balance of Mohan account equals to, balance means simply you add whatever deposit and withdraw is there, we have to add it. So it means deposit amount plus withdraw amount. So this is our formula. Deposit amount is how much? 2000 plus withdraw amount is minus 1642. This is deposit and this is withdraw amount. So simply you do subtraction. So it is not possible to subtract 2 from 0. So 10 minus 2 you have to do. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 9 minus 4 is 5. Here also you do same. 9 minus 6, 3. And here 1 minus 1, 0. So your answer is minus 358. 358 rupees. Okay. So Mohan account balance is rupees 3. It is rupees 35. Here you use positive symbol. By mistake I have written negative, because whenever you do the calculation 2000 is bigger number and minus 1642 is a smaller number. So you give the sign of greater number and greater number is 2000. So here your answer is 358. Got it? So your account balance, then at last you can also write Mohan account balance is 358 rupees. Going to next question. Rita goes 20 km towards east. So you should know first direction. East, it is given in the question itself. West, east. What they have given? 20 km toward east from A to B. How much kilometer? 20. So this distance is 20 kilometer. Then from point B she moves 30 kilometer toward west. How much kilometer? 30, means from here to here 20. Then here we are taking point E. So this one is 10, very simple. Then from B she moves 30 kilometer toward west along the same road. If the distance toward east is positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled toward west? What they have given, if they move from west to east, it is positive. In opposite, east to west is negative. Definitely we have seen in integer line also. Then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? It is definitely negative, so you can write in answer the distance towards east is distance towards east equal to positive integer. Okay, distance towards east is positive integer. Then opposite is distance towards west is negative integer. So half answer that we got. Then after that, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? What they are asking in the question. Then how will you represent the distance traveled toward west, that we solve. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Means final position from A means you have to calculate A to E. From this side we are representing positive, means from this side positive, and from this side we are representing negative. So anyone easily calculate 30 minus 20 is 10, but here it is negative, so answer should come minus 10. So while calculating, the main thing is how you will solve. So what they are asking, final distance from A. So you can write here final distance. You can write distance from in bracket you can write distance from A to B. As we are calculating distance from one point to another, then we use plus symbol, because you have to calculate this much distance and after that this much, so it is positive. Then distance from first they travel A to B. Okay, so the distance from A to B, we go on the question. 20 kilometer toward is from A to B. So from A to B is how much? 20. And from B move 30 kilometer towards west. So this total distance is 30 kilometer. First they move from A to B, then they move from B to A. So distance from, first is distance from, first we written final distance equal to distance from A to B, means this one, and then distance from, you write B to E. So final distance from A to B is 20, this one is 20, and B to E is how much? Minus 30. You write here plus sign as it is. Why it is minus 30? Because when we move from east to west it is minus, and west to east it is plus. So 20 minus 30 is 10, but you should give the sign of greater number, so it is minus 10. and which unit we are using? Kilometer. So it is in kilometer. So this answer is quite simple. You have to just calculate distance from initial point A, B, and later on they moved from B to final point. Here we have given E. So B to E. So simply you do addition, 20 plus minus 30 minus 10 kilometer. So I hope friend you understood this and you practice such kind of problem for your better understanding. Thank you.